Yo, what's up guys, this is Bumblemus Prime, and today, I'm going to be reacting on Sonic Boom Season 1, Episode 7, Double Doomsday. So, let's get started in 3, 2, 1.
Man, I am starving. Next exit, Munchie Town. Population, us. Hey, no cutsies! I was here first! No way, Egghead, we've been waiting.
Believe the barrel-chested gentleman with a luxuriant mustache was first?
What? Are you serious?
Sonic, let's not make a scene.
That's how we do it. Score one for Eggman. Just gotta flash the stash. That's good. How's yours over there? Oh, right. Yours isn't ready yet. Should have been faster, Sonic.
Okay, here we are, 2 double Met burgers with extra pickles.
Still no pickles!
Oh, this is just the best day ever.
I'm Dave, big fan of yours, sir. I've studied
Dave?
your attacks, the Bebot Gambit, the Lair Gambit.
What a nerd.
Gambit.
Ah, yes, that one was doubly risky. I like the cut of your jib. How'd you like to be my unpaid intern?
It'd be an honor to work for you without pay.
Did I mention I like you, jib cut-wise?
Wow, I'm really here. Where do I start?
Even though you're only an intern, there's an important job that I can't trust Orbot and Cubot to do. Mop the bathroom.
Mop the bathroom? Wow! Back at Met Burger, I'd have to be a manager to do that.
You two could learn a thing or two from this kid.
This new intern worries my circuits. I fear that his enthusiasm for the most menial tasks causes us to appear inferior by comparison.
Yeah, and he's making us look bad, too. He does more sucking up than my cousin Suzanne. And she's a vacuum.
Cubot? Cubot? Cubot, where have you gone? Cubot, are you there?
What the?
My word.
I could build a robot to do this, but there's just something about unpaid labor that makes me feel warm and fuzzy inside.
What's this?
Oh, just my old doomsday device.
It's magnificent. I bet it could destroy 100 worlds.
Well, maybe not 100, but if I connected that power supply... one, definitely.
Dr. Eggman, sir, it's Cubot. He's been disassembled.
Oh my
I don't
gosh.
have time for you two. Can't you see I'm enjoying quality time with my protege? So where were we? Yes. You were praising me.
Just forget I just screamed.
Here it is, the reverse polarizer. It takes any force and reverses it.
Ugh.
Guess we won't be needing this anymore.
Hello, odd request. Could I trouble you to reassemble my dismantled cohort?
Great job! Next thing I need you to do is clean up the robo litter box.
Yeah.
Actually, Dr. Eggman, now that you consider me your protege, I was kind of hoping to get a little more evil experience. Like, concoct a scheme together. Maybe I can pitch some ideas.
Listen, Dave, you're a terrible kid, and that's great. But you have to start at the bottom of the evil ladder and work your way up.
But I've spent a year and a half in the fast food industry.
Let's give it a few more weeks, huh?
Few more weeks?
A few more weeks? I can't sit around indefinitely. What do you think I am, a Met Burger?
Nope.
You come out this instant.
I'll show you. I'm gonna be an evil genius no matter what you say.
say.
David, what is going on in there?
Nothing!
You stop that right now, young man. That is my doomsday device.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have left
Go.
the power supply in
No,
here
it's
then.
something in like.
And maybe I shouldn't put the power supply in my pants!
You're not
Yeah.
wearing any pants.
Then what
Oh.
are the pockets?
Forgot.
That better not be what I think it is.
Depends on whether you think it's a doomsday device that I just activated!
His voice sounds funny.
But this is
Sounds like
worse.
from a cartoon. Actually, from Looney Tunes.
Watch what you're grabbing there, bozo.
Huzzah! He's fixed. Cubot, tell us what happened to you.
It's Dave. He dismantled me. And I liked being mantled.
Activate my doomsday device, huh? I'll show you.
I wonder what that thing is.
Whoa, I'm reading 2 weird energy signatures from Eggman's lair.
What are they?
Judging from how powerful and unstable they are, I'd say it could only be some kind of doomsday device. 2 of them.
I'll have you know that I just set off my doomsday device, and it's gonna destroy the world even bigger than that one. Game over, Eggman. Shut off the doomsday devices. Shut off. Who puts an off switch on a doomsday device? You make a valid point. Bad news. There's no off switch.
Well, yeah, who puts an off switch on a doomsday device?
Dum-Dums
So what now?
would.
This is a long
Dum-Dums
shot.
would put a
It's our only
doomsday
chance.
shut off
If
switch
we
on the
increase the
doomsday
energy
device.
output of both devices and get them vibrating at opposite frequencies, then there's a small chance they'll cancel each other out.
Yeah, just for a second, pretend I'm not a science guy.
Get Eggman to increase his device's power. I'll do the same with Dave.
I'm sorry, we're closed. Oh wait, this isn't the drive-thru. What do you want?
I'm here to help.
I don't need your help.
I guess not. If you're okay with Eggman destroying the world bigger than you.
No way! Drive up to the next window and come in.
Eggman! Dave supercharged his machine with 1,000-volt batteries. High-voltage batteries, huh? I'll show him.
Without your goggles, you look bald. Whoa!
Look
His
at the
hair
time.
looked like it was
Anyone
gonna
else
turn to
hungry?
supersonic.
No, don't stop working. I'll make you lunch. What is this? Haven't you ever made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich before? You gotta put the peanut butter on both pieces of bread. Otherwise the jelly makes it soggy. Right, sure, of course.
I did the same thing.
And you remember to cut it into triangles, right? One sec. The crusts. Do I even have to say it?
All right, Dave's device is good to go. How's everything over there?
It's coming along. Oh, yeah, that's the stuff.
Hope this works.
Yes!
What?
Hey, sweet! We did it!
Uh-oh.
What the what? Ah, that's more like it.
Is that a black hole? Or is that...
There must have been
Vortex?
some small power discrepancy.
Let's not point fingers. The important thing is, how are we gonna reverse it?
That's it! My reverse polarizer! If you can get close enough, you can reverse the gravitational pull and force it to close in on itself.
But
if you're too slow, you'll be pulled into the black hole forever and all existence will be erased.
too slow? You forgot who you're talking to.
Whoa. Did you survive?
You still think a plunger would have worked just as well?
You little twerp, your intern and gaze are through. You're fired!
But you are going to give me a positive evaluation, right?
Get out! And you too. I have an assignment for you.
We're back, baby!
Mop the bathroom.
They'll pay for this. They're all gonna pay! You want fries with that?
Oh, that was funny. You're gonna pay for that? So that was my reaction on Season 1, Episode 7, Sonic Boom, Double Doomsday. So remember to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and all that YouTube fun stuff. So, see you guys later. Autobots, transform and roll out.